All right, so quickly I'll be showing us how the index plus match function works in Excel. So it's one of the most powerful tool in Excel for lookups. So why use index plus match? The combination of index plus match is more flexible and powerful compared to VLOOKUP. It allows you to look up values in any direction, work even when columns are rearranged, handle large data sets efficiently, and also avoid the VLOOKUP limitations. Like we want to VLOOKUP moves from left to right. But with index match, you can also look at right to left as well and do other things. All right, um, so we have the index function. It takes in an array and also a row number to actually return a value. Okay, so we'll show some example of how index works and also how the match function works in Excel. So I'm gonna grab this table and paste here on Excel. So let's do a quick exercise to actually showcase how it works in real life. All right, so let's say we have this. Let's say I want to return the value of this 4,000 from this table range. Okay, I can just do something like equal to index. All right, index. I'm going to highlight the entire array and now tell it I want to return the number 2 on that selection. So that's the row position. I can see I was able to get 4,000. Okay, let's also say, for example, let me use the match function. The match function actually returns the position of that particular value. All right, so let's do a quick exercise to show how the match function actually works. So I'm going to type equal to match. All right, open up a bracket. All right, so the lookup value is going to be, let me say I want to use beans as the lookup value. So beans. All right, then the lookup array is also this, and the match type I want exact match. You close the parentheses and press enter. Right, so we can see that we have an error, so which means there's an error in our code. So let's try to see where the error is actually coming from. Okay, so the error is that I didn't highlight properly, so I should be looking at this instead. Okay, I think that was the error. All right, so you can see that the position of the beans is on row 2. So that's what the match function works. So the beauty is now combining both index and match to be able to actually perform a particular analysis. All right, so a quick one will be showcasing how that works. All right, so let me just grab another table called beans. I'm gonna grab this table and drop it here. All right, so here what we're trying to do here is now to actually combine both index and match. Recall with index, let's do a basic index because I want us to really understand how the index works. So index, I was able to do something like this and returned the second row in that particular selection to get the 4,000. Now, I don't want to manually put this. I want to return the row number based on the value here. All right, based on the value of beans, I want to return the row number. So that's where the index comes in. Okay, so I'm now going to do instead of typing the 2, I will now do add match to it. So match to get the row number. So I'll now do match. So the lookup value is going to be beans. All right, now the lookup array is going to be this. All right, then I want exact match. So wherever beans is, get me the row number. That's what this match simply means. All right, so I'm just going to type enter. So I was able to also return 4,000. So that's how index plus match works in Excel. It's really, really powerful. So one of the advantages of index plus match, it looks in any direction, works left, right, up, down. No column index is needed, unlike VLOOKUP. Flexible with changes, works even if columns move, efficient, better for large data sets. Right, of course, we're going to do some exercises to showcase how this index function actually works in Excel. We've already showcased how the match function works. We've already showcased how the index function works. We've also showcased how the index plus match actually works in Excel. So we'll do one more exercise to look up values using the index match from left to right. Sorry, from right to left this time around. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna grab this table. I'm going to grab this table and drop here in Excel. So this time around, we want to look at the left hand side instead of looking at the right hand side. So we'll do our normal formula again. So we're going to type equal to index. So index. So what we're trying to return is the price. All right, the price of beans is what we're trying to return from this table. All right, so we'll do equal to index. Okay, so we'll select this. Recall that I said when you just do something like this, we're able to get a value because we manually typed row number, but now we want to also use index, right, to get the row number based on the position of beans. So I'm gonna type the match function, match, open the parentheses. All right, so the lookup value is going to be beans. The lookup array is this. All right, find the exact match, close the parentheses, and press enter. So we can see that we're able to get 4,000. Index match is really powerful and it helps you to actually do a lot of analysis. You can actually practice on this score, student score, to also showcase how it works and also do a couple of more practice on this. It's actually amazing. It's one of the best lookup functions that you can have on Excel. All right. Thank you and cheers.